Okay, record. People. Steve the Old Smoke Dog here from the WREW Group, Cheap Tricks Division here. Anyway, I'm sure everybody's seen these. You can see the pictures before, but anyhow, the still pictures, has seen these type of blades mounted on brush cutter type trimmers. And anyway, this one, I've been doing that on this one for a couple of years now. We even use it, we're having industrial millwright contractors, and sometimes we have to cut down some limbs around areas that we need to work on. And so what we do is, I made this before everybody else was making them. I put this in a 4-jaw chuck in the lathe, and I bore this to 1 inch, which fits on here. Because if you take a regular blade, like this one right here, it's got a 5/8 hole in it, and look, can't do it. So what we are making and selling here is this little gem here, and what it is it's got a 1 inch, and this is for everything but steel. I understand steel's got a different metric size, and we'll check into that, and if somebody will tell me the size, we could make one for you. It's not a big deal. You just bore it a different size. So anyway, here, this goes on here like that. You can see the 1 inch recess here picks up the boss on the trimmer. Okay, like that. This guy goes on here like that. Oops. And you'll see we got a 5/8 boss sticking out of here. Always make sure this goes on the right direction. By the way, we found the RPM thing to be non-existent in our case, but that's up to you if you want to make sure you don't exceed the ripums on your listed on the blade that's on you. Don't forget that this is a DP thread, left-handed, everything else, Russian thread we used to call them. Anyhow, here we go. So you take this like this and tighten it up if you can. Flip. And see what I was doing? Turning it backwards. I hope the audio is okay on here. There we are. And there we have it. This one happens to be on a, I guess this is manufactured by Troy-Bilt, but it's a Trimmer Plus attachment, but there's others. Anything that takes a 1 inch hole in the saw blade will work. We use it on this Husqvarna trimmer here. Big deal. And again, works fine. Put it on there. You take this up to a tree, and I've by hitting both sides, I've cut down 4-inch trees with this. But it's good for saplings and such things. Put it over here, the tree here, off it goes. That's it. So buy our product. Put it back.